everybody. Hope you guys are ready for this. Got a big one coming. That's if it slaps. Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
Chill out.
Oh my God, my guy. This thing is absolutely nice. Guess who's back? Back again, mofos. Yo, check it out. We over here. Welcome to a humble abode. We been absent for a minute. It's been, life, just life. Getting it did. This is DIS. I was doing some donuts yesterday. I wanna introduce you guys to the N54 Attic Motorsports headquarters. This is what we've been working on, getting a place for us to work. So as you can see, we out of the elements now. Not working outside anymore. We've been doing a bunch of stuff out here. Posted a couple of shorts on YouTube and stuff like that. On my Facebook group, I posted a couple of things. Instagram is dumping. So don't forget to, follow Instagram, subscribe on YouTube. Go to the group, N54 Attic Motorsports. N54 Attic Motorsports Instagram. You already know. We're here. So today we're gonna do a little thing to this little E90 we got, right? It's gonna be getting 19 TV4s. He had a minor crash. We got to do a radiator, little maintenance. You guys see right over here. We got the beast, but I'm gonna take a different approach this time to these turbos. Right? I have not had any issues with the wastegates on the one that's on the 135i, but I've heard of a lot of issues with wastegates on other turbos, and I'm just gonna be cautious with this one because this is closed. This car belongs to the guy that owns the garage I rent, so I'm always working on it, and I don't like doing things twice. I do it right the first time. This is it, 19 TV4s, Viv. Gonna be going in this car. I gotta move my bench over. My bench is over on the other side. Once I get it over to this side and get set up, I'll be able to show you guys the turbos better and compared to the other things that are going on. My man Dougie, he owns the shop. And this is it. This is what we've been working on right here. We've been working hard to get a place for us to work, we don't have to get stuff done over the weekend. Nice little E90 he bought for his son. Brazers. It's already full bolt-ons. I did full bolt-ons in there. No transfer case. Bunch of stuff. I've done a bunch of stuff to this car already. Now, it's gonna get turbos. Let's get it cooking. Let's get it freaking cooking.
We're gonna begin some 19 TV4 action over here, my TV4. Heat shields about to come on. The solenoids out of here. The heat shield. When I got cooking hard in this.
You're like a black, red, and like gray camo BMW.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, that's the shit. That's what I want.
Mm-hmm.
But I would never
Look
do
at
that
this.
now.
Look what happened. Show them what happened to the outlet when you hit the fucking thing. Look at that outlet. Destroyed. Now you can see it from here. Destroyed it in the accident. These little motherfuckers.
Just make sure I'm not in any of the fucking videos.
Definitely.
I don't want to be in any of these car videos. If it was a truck, it'd be different.
We're working hard over here, as everybody can see.
Subframe's off. What time is it, Dougie?
10 or 12.
10 to 12. So we started at 9 o'clock. I mean, I got here at 9 o'clock. But I'm to this point already. Subframe completely off. We're getting ready for turbies. Already catless and all that. Yeah, boy. Yeah, we're gonna replace a bunch of stuff down here. Let's get it. Little lunch break, boy. Getting it dead over here. Look at the Lacey. He can't wait till this thing's done.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, what's your Instagram again?
DeLacy_15.
What's that?
DeLacy_15.
Yeah. That's where you guys are gonna be seeing is 19 TV4 twin turbo car right here. Sure you guys go give him a follow. Don't forget. And 54 Attic Motorsports. Subscribe, like, share. We're here. We're getting it did. Whee! Ugh. These pieces of crap. Yeah, buddy. I'll start taking the oil pan off. Look at all the oil that's leaking in there. Unbelievable. That's crazy. Beautiful day over here in Massachusetts. Here's the Old Glory for you guys. America, baby. Look at this. It's nasty. The weather was nasty yesterday. My baby's all dirty. This is the next day. Back over here at the shop. Show you guys what I accomplished yesterday. There's Dougie. Once again, welcome to our humble abode. Yeah, buddy. So, yesterday I got the turbos out. I dropped the oil pan, put it back on. It's only being held by 2 bolts. Got to put all the bolts on and keep moving. Keep moving. I got to do this transmission line. I got to pull it out, put a new one in. So I'm going to start doing that. So I'm waiting on the bolts. I'm short 2 bolts, and I'm only going to be able to get the 2 that I'm missing by 2 o'clock. So, yep. I'm going to start putting everything back together. I'll show you guys how it goes. And clean up, too. I got a lot to clean up. So, let's get it. So be ready for a change. Oh, yeah. See how dirty and caked up with oil everything is? We're done. Oil pan gasket all torqued up. Next step is clean everything up and then start reassembling everything. And we're here, baby. Cleaning it all up. It's gonna be all mint, all clean when we're done. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a lot of buttoning up to do over here. I had to change this because that broke in the accident. Brand new lines, ran them all over. They're all buttoned up. I gotta connect this back up. Oh yeah, I gotta do the motor mount. Change that over. So far, it's looking good. And turbo's gonna go on soon. I'm just cleaning up the bench so I can start putting some oil lines on the turbos and stuff, and then go from there. So like I promised, gentlemen, I would be doing brand new OEM wastegates and adjusting them myself. What I want. Let's go, let's do it. It just looks so beautiful, boys, when it's up there like that. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Button everything up. Got cranking up in this bitch. If you guys are not looking here, as I start to close it up. Up this side all buttoned up, everything tight. Turbos are in. Everything's on, as you can see. I'm gonna start putting all this crap back together, water pump, but I'm gonna put the down pipes on first. And it lives. Few hiccups, but burning off. She lives. She lives. Ow. No codes, no nothing. Scanned it up. I'm gonna check underneath for any oil leaks. Send it. Let's get it. So we're back here today getting it did. We tried to finish this, but we couldn't because there was a leak right here. This thing was not brazed well. So keep an eye out for that. It's leaking right there. Way too much light, doing. So yeah, it's leaking right here. I went through all that work. I put it all back together. Shine some light in here. Just to find the line leaking right there, man. These are almost ready to stop cooking. Let's put this back together and get going. Right, Dougie? Yeah, buddy. The beast lives. We fought so many coolant leaks. Brand new parts leaking, but we're finally done. I'm gonna put this bumper on. I wanna go for a ride. I had enough headaches. She's already tuned. Got a tune from my boy DS Performance, the beast himself, the tuner. Yep, we're ready to rock and roll. Let's see what she's got. Ha. I think this is it, boys. I think this is it. Starts coming off the lift. Oh yeah, we're ready. Let's go. Car wash. Do a log. Let's get it. All she needs now is a wash. Oh, it sounds so quiet. Look at that. Clean tail. Ready to rock and roll. All-wheel drive beast. We're gonna go wash it. Make it beautiful. Look at this thing. All right, boys. So we're driving. Little 19 TV4 action. Got it tuned to 8 PSI right now. This thing feels freaking awesome. Awesome. Come on. Will you break? 19 TV4 action. We still got to tune the trends and get a good log for the tuner to turn it up. I only got it at 8 PSI right now. Just, you know, to get a feel for the car and stuff, you know, see how the turbo goes. But the turbo's feel nice. Put my foot on the gas, boom. Spoon. Oh yeah. Feels nice. You can hear it pretty good. When they kick in, that 8 PSI feels nice too. Real nice. Real nice. I love it. Bringing the car up to temp. I'm gonna bring it back to the shop right now, check everything out for leaks and all that. Oh yeah, I like it very much. Little 8 PSI action. Ooh, 8 PSI, boys. What the heck? That's some good 8 PSI, I'll tell you that much. Oh yeah, I gotta get the car aligned too. Oof, this thing feels awful right now. Oh yes, I love the way it sounds. We gotta do the exhaust too. Oh yeah, little APSI action. 19 TV4 APSI. Yeah, buddy. Came over here to car wash, got it clean. Got that healthy APSI. I got my crew at DS Performance Tuning working on the freaking tune. We got 8 PSI. We're gonna go up to 18. Yeah, right. Let's see how much we can get out of these things on stock fuel pump. Remember guys, I still got a stock fuel pump in this. And this guy happy. Yeah, so we gotta upgrade the fuel pump and all that, but this is not gonna be a race car, so we're not too worried about it. Just a nice daily for my boy. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that'll be it for this video. Like I said, got it running, a little APSI right now. That's all that matters. Turbos are great, car's running, no leaks. Ready to let it rock and roll. Waiting for a revision for our tuner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. M54 Attic Motorsports, represent, baby. What?